Henry's Bad Day. Published by Random House. Copyright 2006. Henry's Bad Day. Based on the Railway series by the Reverend W. Awdry. Illustrated by Richard Courtney. Henry loves his bright green paint. It is clean and shiny. On sunny days, Henry sparkles. "Gordon," said Henry, "see how handsome I am." "Wheesht!" snorted Gordon. "You are not handsome. You are vain." On rainy days, Henry is cross. Rain makes spots on his shiny coat. One rainy day, Henry's coaches were full. He was going fast. Henry saw a tunnel. The tunnel was dry. Henry stopped inside the dry tunnel. The passengers did not want to stop. They wanted to go. Henry would not go. The passengers pushed. The passengers pulled. Henry would not go. Sir Topham Hatt was mad. "You must go," he said. Henry would not go. Sir Topham Hatt called the workmen. The passengers got on Bertie the Bus. The workmen made a wall in front of Henry. Henry was glad to be dry. Many weeks went by. Henry was bored. Henry was lonely. Henry saw Gordon go by. One day, Gordon was pulling the express. It broke down near Henry. Who can help? Edward is too small. James is too far away. I am sorry. I was silly, peeped Henry. I can help. The workmen opened the tunnel. Henry was dirty, but he was happy to be going. He pushed the express. Slowly, 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 the express moved. Henry pushed harder. Faster and faster they all moved. Soon they saw the station. Sir Topham Hatt thanked Henry for being a really useful engine. Henry is no longer vain, but he still hates the rain.